In this video, we will show you how to replace the band on your Lily smartwatch. To replace the band on your watch, you will need your Lily and the band replacement kit. This kit includes the new bands and wrench tools used to remove the band pins. Start by using the wrenches to remove the band pin from one side of the watch. Next, install the new band on the watch and insert the pin. Use the wrenches to tighten the band pin once more. You can then use the wrench to remove the band pin from the other side of the watch. Then, install the other band and install the pins. Use the wrenches to tighten the pin. And that's it. You can now change the band on your Lily smartwatch. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.